Now, this video is specially made for truck bed owners, as in this video I have listed top 5 best truck bed bike racks in the market. Plus, I have made this list with full of custom-fit bike racks after performing research, which is based on their price, quality, durability, brand reputation, and other features of bike racks. And, for your convenience, I have given the link in the description so that you can quickly check out the racks. Furthermore, I have ranked them according to usability and compatibility with truck bed, so that you can choose them according to your requirement. Number 1. The Inno RT201 Truck Bed Bike Rack stands out as the ideal choice for cyclists seeking a reliable and secure solution for transporting bikes in their truck bed. Engineered with durability and ease of use in mind, this rack accommodates 2 bikes, providing a stable and protective platform for travel. Its adjustable clamps and padded grips ensure a snug fit for various bike sizes, while its user-friendly installation process makes loading and unloading a breeze. Whether embarking on a weekend adventure or simply commuting around town, the Inno RT201 Truck Bed Bike Rack offers peace of mind and convenience for cyclists of all levels. Number 2. The Joy Tutus Truck Bed Bike Rack emerges as a top-tier choice for cyclists seeking a dependable and versatile solution for transporting bikes in their truck bed. Engineered with durability and practicality in mind, this rack accommodates up to 2 bikes, providing a stable and secure platform for travel. Its adjustable design allows for compatibility with various truck bed sizes and bike types, ensuring a snug and protective fit for each ride. With its easy installation process and user-friendly features such as padded clamps and tie-down straps, loading and unloading bikes becomes a seamless task. Additionally, the rack's compact and lightweight construction facilitates convenient storage when not in use, adding to its overall appeal. Whether embarking on a biking adventure or simply commuting around town, the Joy Tutus Truck Bed Bike Rack offers cyclists peace of mind and convenience, making it an indispensable accessory for any journey. Number 3. Delta Cycle & Home offers a top-notch solution with its truck bed bike rack, catering to cyclists seeking a reliable and efficient method for transporting bikes in their truck beds. With its sturdy construction and adjustable design, this rack accommodates various truck bed sizes and bike types, ensuring a secure fit for every journey. Its easy installation process and user-friendly features, including padded clamps and tie-down straps, make loading and unloading bikes a breeze. Compact and lightweight, the Delta Cycle & Home Truck Bed Bike Rack is easy to store when not in use, making it a practical and convenient accessory for cyclists on the go. Number 4. Retrospec offers cyclists a reliable solution with its truck bed bike rack, designed for secure and hassle-free bike transportation in truck beds. Its sturdy and adjustable design ensures compatibility with various truck bed sizes and bike types, providing a stable platform for travel. With straightforward installation and user-friendly features like padded clamps and tie-down straps, loading and unloading bikes becomes effortless. Compact and lightweight, the Retrospec Truck Bed Bike Rack is easy to store when not in use, making it a practical accessory for cyclists seeking convenience and peace of mind on their biking adventures. Number 5. Bike Gear presents cyclists with a reliable solution in its truck bed bike rack, engineered for secure and efficient bike transportation in truck beds. Its robust construction and adjustable design ensure compatibility with various truck bed sizes and bike types, delivering a stable platform for travel. With a straightforward installation process and user-friendly features such as padded clamps and tie-down straps, loading and unloading bikes becomes a seamless task. Compact and lightweight, the Bike Gear Truck Bed Bike Rack is easy to store when not in use, making it a practical accessory for cyclists seeking convenience and peace of mind on their biking excursions. Thank you for watching, guys. The buying link is given in the description below, so that you can check them on the Amazon.com and choose them accordingly. So that it from this video, and I hope you like this video on Best Truck Bed Bike Rack, and if this video is helpful to you, please give us like, comment, and subscribe.